Chef Buck here, and today we're in Mexico to unearth the mystery of the papaya. Which is our way of saying that we bought a papaya. So this is a papaya.
We had some papaya and some grape papaya and some fruit mixes we had at restaurants. We've been seeing these in the farmers markets, and there's lots of vendors here as well that are selling just gorgeous fruit. In fact, they have some interesting mixtures with watermelon and papaya and jicama. What are you doing?
Well, this is the papaya cam.
To pick a ripe papaya, you're looking for uniform yellow to orange coloring. Now this one, yeah, you got little bits of green. It's forgiving. We could leave this one for another day or two, not long. There's not a lot of green on this one, which is exactly how we wanted it. But so you want uniform color. Like with any produce, you don't want a lot of sharp mouths. We did this ourselves, so it's not we picked something with a lot of blemishes on it. You want it to give just a little bit, and around the stem end, it's okay that it's a little less soft than, let's say, here. This is a nutritional powerhouse. Vitamins A, C, folate, potassium, magnesium, and
That's the whole alphabet.
of course, it has some fiber as well. But the other thing it has an enzyme in it that is good for you in that it helps you to digest proteins. But in the same way, once you cut it, those same enzymes help to soften the fruit quicker. So again, once you cut it, you want to use it. So I'm just going to cut off the stem end. And what's nice, now look at that. Look at how beautiful that color is. It looks like
That looks like a circus peanut color when I was a kid. That's a very exciting color if you're a child.
This variety of papaya comes very large, but it's very easy to cut. We're going to cut it long ways so that we can get those seeds out of there because they have a different taste profile that if you're interested in just the papaya, you may not want.
Man, that knife went through there like butter.
Like butter.
It does have a musky smell, boyo.
Yeah, but don't let that turn you off before you give it a try.
Now, how would you describe the smell? Would you say it was kind of like an old sock drawer?
No, it's not that bad. It depends on how sensitive your smeller is. Don't let it push you away until you've given it a try. So these seeds, they have a gooey jelly or gelatinous covering over them. Some people, they eat them. They plop a few in a smoothie that they have. Some people dry them out and use them like peppercorns.
So you can eat these seeds just like this here.
Could you with a horse?
Let me see. Would you take a spoonful of the seeds and eat it?
I'm not getting a spoonful, but it's okay.
Yeah. Is it a hard? You said it's gelatinous, but it doesn't have. Can you bite through it, or is it like a hard seed?
Oh no. You can bite through it. And it does, it has like a peppery taste. In fact, some people, they dry them out, they dehydrate them, and they use them as peppercorns. But again, more nutrition if you want it. You've got a ready-made bowl. If you don't want to do anything else, you can just scoop it out with your spoon. Just eat it as is. It really does have a great, refreshing taste. Lots of water.
I mean, I like papaya, but I like to mix it up. I like to have it in a mixture of fruit salad.
Now, before you even go there, another thing you can try, if you want to keep it really simple, papaya and citrus works really well together. Now, we have a couple of grapefruit that we're going to mix it to make a fruit salad for tonight. But if you just take a little bit of lime or lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze it on a little piece. These two flavors, are so good together. Just add a little bit of lime. You think it's going to overpower it. Oh my God, those two flavors complement each other so well.
So I will try a plain Jane scoop of papaya, which is okay. I like papaya in a fruit salad more than I like it all on its lonesome. All right, so now I'm going to try it with the lime juice.
Put the lime in the coconut. Oh, wrong one.
And that is much better.
It's really good, isn't it?
I can eat papaya with lime. I tell you what, man, everything in Mexico they have with limes.
And Buck, you haven't generally been a lime.
I'm not, but
Friend.
I'm turning into a lime person because you have to. It's lime, lime, lime. I don't know why they call the place Mexico. They should just call it lime. Because it's all lime all the time. All right, I'll try some of these seeds all on their lonesome. Is that a lot?
Get rid of those parasites. Yes, that's a lot.
It does taste like pepper.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of a peppery flavor.
Well, I actually like the combination of the seeds and the flesh because it gives it a, it gives it a better texture, I think. Why do they even have the flesh in here? It should be all seeds.
But so what do you think?
I think this is the most I've ever enjoyed papaya by itself. I really like the seeds, and I really like it with the lime.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So it can be pretty simple. And in our blog, we'll put some other ways that you can definitely use a ripe papaya. Again, the only caution is once you cut it especially, go ahead and use it within a couple of days. So this is a really large papaya, even for us. So this is a bit much for us to just scoop and eat the whole thing and be finished with it. So we're just going to cut it up and put some lime with it so that we can eat it over a couple of days. So I'm just going to cut it into some thinner slices. Then you're just going to cut the skin away. But we are, since Buck and the seeds have become friends, we are going to leave the seeds in. He's right, it adds some texture. Here's the other thing. You can eat everything, including the skin.
It's not my favorite part of the papaya.
So this is a large papaya, so we are using a pretty large lime. I'm going to use all of the juice, because again, this combo is dynamite. Look how much papaya we have to snack on in the next couple of days. That is something to look forward to.
And one of my favorite ways to eat freshly cut fruit is with yogurt. And if you've never tried prune yogurt,
Things an old person says.
there's a certain point in your life where everything with the word prune in it is like, it's like magic. Yogurt with fruit and nuts. It's like ice cream for old people. I can't believe we haven't always been eating papaya seeds. Boom, papaya. If you've seen it before and didn't know what to do with it, there's hardly anything to do with it. You just cut it and then you eat everything. The seeds, the skin, you can eat the whole shebang. Go over to myfoodchannel.com. You can check out all our food videos and recipes and whatnot over there. And we'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.